welcome to our guitar. We had Toosii here, YoungBoy Never Broke Again. And they do Please Don't Go. And you can also play this one on a very cool guitar that will not break your account as well. Never Broke Again. This comes from Anchor Guitars. Highly appreciated here on Going Guitar. Play this a lot. And you can use my coupon code GoingGuitar10 to get 10% off. You will land about $250 mark or so. Very much high value guitar for that money. Anyway, let's go into Please Don't Go. So stay here. Let's learn this together. We use a capo here and we place it on the 5th fret to get the perfect scenario for us. Simple chords, and you're gonna match up with the sound. So let's go. Capo on 5th and learn the 4 chords that just rolls in the same way through the entire song. E minor first. We have open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have next the D major 7. Okay, so it goes open D, second G, second B, second E. And as you can see, I just placed a short little bar there on the 2nd fret, and I press down the E, B, and G string. And then, of course, incorporate the open D. All right, that's very simple. Now let's go to the C major 7. Again, very easy. So you're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, and then open G, open B, and open E. And then you're gonna finish off with this B minor bar chord. So you go with the index finger on the 2nd fret to push down 5 strings there from bottom up, all strings except for the last E string in the bass. And then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And there you have it, guys. So E minor to D major to C major to B minor. Now, one string around goes like this with E minor. So I'm gonna play first 2 downs, and then up, up, down, up, down. A short pause, and then start the next strumming round. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down. That's the rhythm. Now, I showed you the chord progression here. It's the same as we learned the chords. So you're going to play E minor to D major to C major to B minor. You're going to play 2 string rounds per chord. So with that given scenario, it sounds like this. There you have it, guys. Okay, so Toosies and YoungBoys, Please Don't Go. You can go now for a short while, but you will have to come back for next upload. Hope to see you soon. Thanks and play tuned.